In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get good reviews on Google Business. The key to getting more positive reviews is making the process as easy and frictionless as possible for your customers. If someone has to search around, click through multiple pages, or figure out where to leave feedback on their own, there's a good chance they simply won't do it, even if they had a great experience. That's why the first thing you want to do is log into your Google Business profile and get your direct review link. Once you're inside your profile, look for the option that lets you ask for reviews or share your review form. This gives you a direct link that takes customers straight to the review page for your business. In many cases, you can also generate a custom QR code. That's especially useful if you interact with customers in person, because they can simply scan the code with their phone and leave a review right away without needing to type anything manually. This direct link or QR code is important because it removes unnecessary steps. The easier it is for someone to leave a review, the more likely they are to actually follow through. Convenience matters a lot here, especially when a customer is busy or moving on to the next part of their day. After you have that review link ready, the next step is to send it to satisfied customers by text or email as soon as your service is complete. Timing makes a big difference. Right after the service, the experience is still fresh in their mind, and if they're happy, that's the best moment to ask. Waiting too long can reduce your chances even if the customer meant to leave a review. When you send the message, keep it simple and polite. Make it easy for them to understand exactly what to do by including the direct review link clearly in the message. If you're using a QR code in person, you can also show it at checkout, on a receipt, or anywhere. It's convenient and visible. The goal is to meet customers where they already are and make the action feel quick and effortless. One helpful tip is to focus on customers who are clearly satisfied. If someone just thanked you, complimented your service, or said they had a great experience, that's an ideal time to send the review link. You're not adding extra steps to your process. You're simply making it incredibly easy for happy customers to share the good experience they already had. That's how to get good reviews on Google Business by simplifying the review process and asking at the right moment.